satisfaction and general academic efficacy in GFA senior high school students, along with my fellow researchers, Mr. Buban, Calieza, Cruz, De Gilmo, Espino, Lubiano, Reyes, and lastly, Samuya.
Chapter 1 Introduction includes the background of the study, statement of the problem, significance of the study, scope and delimitation, and operational definition of terms.
Background of the study: relationship satisfaction significantly impact with being health and longevity. Baller et al. 2021 factors like age and reproduction also influence relationship satisfaction. Bridget et al. 2023 similarity general academic efficacy to personal traits affects student adaptation and performance. Abbott et al. 2020 under ability to optimize academic tasks. Nelson et al. 2018 reflecting a global belief on their ability to master academic challenges. Rothman et al. 2022. Statement of the problem. The researcher study aims to investigate the relationship between relationship satisfaction, general academic efficacy among GFA students, senior high school. Specifically, it seeks to address the following research questions. What is the level of relationship satisfaction among students at GFA senior high school? How do students' perception of relationship satisfaction vary based in factors in terms of demographic profile? What strategies or intervention could be implemented to enhance both relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy among GFA senior high school students based on the findings of the study? Significance of the study. Conducting a research on relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy can improve personal growth, mental health, and overall well-being. Understanding academic efficacy, enable education system, enhancing academic performance, and providing a more fulfilling educational experience.
Scope and delimitation. This study focuses on examining relationship satisfaction and academic efficacy among GFA senior high school students, focusing on communication, support, and self-perception. However, the limitation include focusing on GFA students, excluding the other variables, and relying on the self-reported data. Operational definition of terms. The study defined the relationship satisfaction as an individual personal evaluation of their interpersonal relationship and general academic efficacy, as their confidence, belief, self-assess, confidence in their performance academic tasks.
Chapter 2 Review of related literature containing related literature and research graph. Loneliness mediates the link between relationship satisfaction and behavior, Sun et al. 2022. While coping strategies predict relationship satisfaction, Falconer 2015, and ensure attachment negatively impacts it, Candle and Torniak 2019. Academic studies highlight positive correlations between general academic efficacy mediating between metacognition and success. Academic studies highlight positive correlation between general academic efficacy mediating between metacognition and success. Koyukov Group 2023, predicting adolescent achievement. Academic studies highlight positive correlation between general academic efficacy mediating between metacognition and success. Koyukov Group 2023, predicting adolescent achievement. Erseko Bach et al. 2021, being influenced by study satisfaction, Kostagulus et al. 2019.
Chapter 4 Methodology. This chapter outlines the procedures undertaken by the researchers to carry out the study. Details the research design, which is an associational correlational study, while both of the main variables, level of measurements, are interval. The research instrument used are the Relationship Assessment Scale and the General Academic Self-Efficacy Scale.
The unit of analysis focuses on senior high school students at GFA. Additionally, the researchers will be using simple random sampling technique. Through an online survey form, the data will be gathered, and lastly, the statistical treatment of the study uses Spearman-Rome.
Chapter 5 Results Analysis and Discussion. As shown in the first graph, gender distribution, most respondents are female. The second graph indicates that 38.57% of respondents are 17 and 18 years old, totaling 882 students. The third graph grade levels. Our study included 2,287 GFA senior high school students with 1,062 grade 11 students and 1,225 grade 12 students.
The fourth graph is academic strand. Among the 5-stranded GFA senior high school students, the majority are enrolled in STEM programs. The fifth graph, religions, the majority students are Roman Catholic. The next graph, honor students, the majority of respondents indicated they are honor students. The variable self-discipline is essential for students and impacts the main variables. The last graph, relationship problems significantly affect the main variables.
Researchers use Sperman-Rank correlation to study the link between relationship satisfaction and general academic efficacy among SHS students. They found a very small non-significant positive relationship overall, with slight differences between males and females. Honor students show a small negative relationship, while non-honor students had a small significant positive relationship, indicating relationship satisfaction has a little impact on academic performance.
Chapter 5 Discussion. The researchers' findings show that when a student is happy in a relationship, it may affect their performance on academic matters. This triangular theory of love, Sternberg, 1980. An implicit theory of intelligence, Drake 2000, this theory suggests that commitment and beliefs about intelligence significantly impact behavior and success.
The last chapter is chapter 6, contains conclusion and recommendation.
Conclusion. The findings of the study revealed that students at Golden Faith Academy Senior High exhibit moderate levels of relationship satisfaction and general academic efficacy. Previous studies found correlations between various personal and academic factors. Mapula et al. 2019 and Yaring et al. 2022 indicated significant positive correlations between self-efficacy and the academic performance. The triangular theory of love and the implicit theory supports these findings. The theory suggests that commitment in relationships and beliefs play roles in students' academic behavior and success. It will be helpful to look into how particular relationship dynamics like effective students' academic efficacy, increasing the sample size, and demographic variation may improve the findings. Researchers' recommendation. Future research should explore impact of relationship satisfaction on academic achievements of high school students, extending the investigation to different school settings to gain a comparative perspective. It would be helpful to look into how particular relationship dynamics like